Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1964 Rambler American 330. Love this car, guys. Unfortunately, I got to apologize. The wind's blowing in my face here. I got snow all over the place. We got about 9 inches of snow on the way. So we're just going to kind of push through and advertise this car. Love this car. I bought it from my buddy out of Tennessee. Just super cute. A super cute car. Fun car to drive. This car's got air ride. It's got a set of Billet Specialties wheels with red lines. It's got the stock flathead 6 in it. This is the original color. It's called Ivory with the stock interior. Car's got 44,000 original miles on it. But just a super cool car, fun car, great conversation piece. If you're looking for something different, I think you'll just fall in love with this car. I know I did. And I know Leroy absolutely loves it. It's got the updated headlights in it. Again, you can see, oh, sorry, there's just a little snow, guys. It's just blowing. The trim on this car is in excellent shape. Just a pretty car. There is one little stone peck there I noticed on that. Definitely have replaced that new front bumper. And you want to talk about a car that gets some attention. I'll bet you, at the show we bought this, I bet you I've seen 500 people taking pictures of this car. Just a super cool car, fun car to drive. Sorry about the snow, guys. There's not much we can do. Like I say, there's a lot more on the way. You can see it's got the original interior still in it. Again, that's just snow, guys. There's nothing wrong with the rear glass. Mother Nature's just been brutal this year on us. It's a great car. A lot of fun to drive. Laser straight down the sides. Love the wheel and tire package. Again, it does have air ride. Sorry guys, again, you can see that bumper's new in the rear. Just a super cool car. I just love the look of this car, man. When I first walked up on it, man, I just fell in love with it. It's got a great look and really just a nice car. Thought this was cool. It's a flathead 6 in there, automatic trans. Car's nice and clean in the engine compartment here. See, it's got the original American Motors bag. There's your original tag on the car. And just a sweetheart, man. Runs and drives excellent. It's just a cool car, man. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. We're trying to get it posted. Mother Nature's gonna mess us up here. Look how nice this trim is. I'm trying to let you see that. Yeah, I mean, just beautiful. Here's your door tag. Sorry, back a ton of new cars coming. Unfortunately, the weather's gonna mess us up. Probably for the next couple of days here. So we're doing our best to get them posted. I know we sold a little Nova today, and already guys are giving me some heat because we sold it before we could get it advertised. 44,521 on the odometer there. Stock AM radio. The air ride is, it's got a remote. Jay will show you that. That headliner in that car is cool. But like I say, we're gonna try to knock as much of this stuff out as we can. Stock rear end. Whew, that wind is rough. It's got the jack with the spare. Oh man, I don't want to tear this. Try to show you without tearing this. That's probably your original paint in there, I'll bet you. You see how clean that car is. Original matte. There's your air ride. Just a cool car, man. Car's nice and clean underneath. Just a great car. Like you say, you're looking for something fun, something different. This car is a blast to drive. Steering wheels are good. Look how nice those gauges are. I have Jay fired up. Again, door handles are all real nice. Just a cool car. Just runs like a little sweetheart, man. That's a cool car. Jay's gonna be, see Jay bringing it up to ride height there. Where's that remote, Jay?
It's right here. When you come over to the other side, it's right underneath the seat.
Okay, show we show. Yeah. See, all your gauges are working. Stock single exhaust. Ah, there you go. So the backup lights even work. There's a little remote that's down under here for the no on the radio. Hey, Jason, the other thing we can't get to work, blower motor works, all right? Blower motor does work. We can't get the wipers working. We'll check it. If it's a wiper motor, I don't know how easy it is going to be to find one of those. Can't say I've owned a ton of these cars. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, call Leroy, call Jay. You can do that at 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.